Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from AOMAIS. This is the AOMAIS Voice Bluetooth headset that you can pick up on Amazon at the time of this review for $39. Now I will have that link in the description below. I also have a link to AOMAIS so that you can check them out and check out the products that they have on their website. I have done a few of their speakers in the past and they have been excellent in quality. Let's find out how this headset holds up. Okay, once you get everything out of the box, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a couple different cables. You're going to get some literature and, of course, the main unit itself. So let's first take a look at our charge cable here. Our charge cable is a standard USB to micro USB charge cable. And, of course, I always like that it's standardized. You can use any cable that you want to charge up the unit. You can plug it into any USB port on your laptop or your PC to charge it, or you can use your phone's AC wall adapter. That'll work just fine. Now it takes about 3 hours to fully charge the battery that's in this, but you will get up to 10 hours of solid playback once it's fully charged. So that's a pretty decent amount of battery life. They also give you a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter gold-plated aux cable here, and this is in case you do happen to run out of battery power, you can use them wired. Now, AOMAIS is very good about backing up their products. You can see here that you can check them out at www.aomais.com. You'll have that link in the description below. They also give a toll-free number that you can call Monday through Friday. So if you need support that way, you can do it also via email. Now, they do back up their product for 12 months. So you do get a 12-month warranty on this headset, which is excellent. You're going to get this covered for a whole entire year after you purchase it. Let's take a look at the little start guide or quick start guide for the AOMAIS Voice. You can see the specifications here. It is Bluetooth version 4.0. The input is a 3.7 volt DC. It does have a playtime of up to 10 hours. The range is that normal 33 feet we see with Bluetooth. It does have a 300 milliamp lithium battery rechargeable in it, and it does again take about 3 hours to recharge. Now the thing that I do like about this user guide is that it's well laid out. The print is super big, as you can see, so it's not hard to read, and it's in English. So they did an excellent job on this actual fold out here to giving you customer support options, all your button mappings, and everything else. This is something that you're going to want to hold on to. It's a very, very good quick start guide. Let's take a look at the unit itself. This is a very lightweight unit. The ear cups themselves are made out of plastic, but they feel durable enough. There's a nice ridged design, as you can see here, with the AOMAIS logo that looks really cool on both sides. I really do like the fact that these are lightweight. Wearing them for a long period of time should not be a problem. There's rotation to the ear cups as well, which is awesome because everybody's head size is different. They have a stitched kind of protein leather pad on the top that does a pretty good job. And the protein leather ear cups are super comfortable over the ear style of these 40 millimeter drivers. If we take a look at one of the things that I really like on this, I would have to say it's going to be our next point that we check, which I always check on all of my reviews, is these pullouts here. These are made of metal. And this is great because this is a break point in a lot of headsets. So I like to see that they're at least reinforced with metal. Now this entire arm up to the ear cup is metal. You can see I still left some plastic on here. That just covers it in shipping so that it doesn't get scratched up. But I like the fact that these arms are metal. They're going to be nice and durable. Now the ear cups being plastic, that's no problem because that really cuts down on the weight. On the left side, you're going to see a LED and your micro USB charge port here and for charging up the headset. Pretty self-explanatory. On the other side, we're going to get a bunch of buttons. We're going to get a volume up and volume down button, which is also your track forward and reverse. You're going to get a pause and play and power button in the middle there. And at the bottom, you're going to get a dedicated answer call button, which is actually pretty cool. Other than that, they're very easy to reach. No problems once you figure out which ones are which. You're going to have your aux input here, a 3.5 millimeter input. You're going to see a lock here, and this is to lock the buttons out. If you want to lock the buttons out while you have this on, don't want to accidentally hit any buttons and either increase or decrease your volume, they actually have a lock on. So that's actually really cool. I like that feature. It's something you don't see in a lot of headsets. So to get this paired up, it's super simple. Just hold down the power button, which is also your pause play button, for about 6 to 8 seconds until it starts to blink blue and red really quickly. Once you do that, you are now in pairing mode, and this is very, very simple to just go in and pair this up with whatever device you're going to use. Now I'm going to use my Galaxy Note 8, and what I will do is I will go into Bluetooth and now wait until it shows up in available devices. Only takes a few seconds to do so, and it should show up as the AOMAIS Voice. And there it is, the AOMAIS Voice. So you just click on it to pair it. Very, very simple pairing. Very, very simple to get set up. Okay, so another thing that I want to talk about real quickly is the voice portion of this headset. How does it sound when you're in a phone call? I have hooked this up to my Galaxy Note 8 and used a voice recorder to record my voice through this headset so that you guys can hear how it sounds really quickly. This is a test of the AOMAIS Voice Bluetooth headset. This is connected to my Galaxy Note 8, so it'll give you an idea of what you will sound like in voice calls. As far as music quality goes, these have a really good sound quality to them. I didn't have any problems whatsoever with the music quality. It even has a bunch of bass to it, so all you bass lovers out there are really going to enjoy this. Overall, there are a lot of really good things to say about this headset. It's lightweight, yet it does have a construction that speaks for being able to take a little bit of abuse. They're lightweight enough because of the plastic ear cups to wear for a long time, and the protein leather ear pads and everything are very, very comfortable. The 40mm drivers do a great job on music sound, and as you heard earlier, our voice sound is also very, very good. Overall, I think AOMAIS did a solid job on this headset, and I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. So there you go. That's my review of the AOMAIS Voice Bluetooth headset. For $39, this is definitely a solid offering from AOMAIS. It's got great music quality, crystal clear, or at least clear enough voice quality, 10-hour battery life, and a good solid build quality to it that still maintains lightweight and comfortability. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this device, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.